Welcome. 7th Standard Science, Part 2, Chapter 11, Light. Question answer. As per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board Syllabus. Exercises. Fill in the blanks. First one. A. An image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. B. Image formed by a convex mirror is always virtual and smaller in size. C. An image formed by a plane mirror is always of same size as that of the object. D. An image which can be obtained on screen is called a real image. E. An image formed by a concave lens cannot be obtained on a screen. Second main, mark T if statement is true and F it is false. A. We can get an enlarged and erect image by a convex mirror. False. Convex mirrors always form virtual, erect, and diminished images. B. A concave lens always forms a virtual image. True. Concave lens diverge rays and always form virtual, erect, and smaller images. C. We can obtain a real, enlarged, and inverted image by a concave mirror. True, when the object is beyond the focus. D. A real image cannot be obtained on a screen. False. Real image can be obtained on a screen. E. A concave mirror always forms a real image. False. If the object is between the mirror and the focus, the image is virtual and erect. Third one, match the items given in the column 1 with one or more items of column 2. A plane mirror matches with 5. The image is erect and of same size as the object. B. Convex mirror can form image of objects spread over a large area. 6. Image is erect and smaller. C. Convex lens used as a magnifying glass. D. Concave mirror used by dentists to see enlarged image of teeth. Image is inverted and magnified. E. Convex lens. Image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Fourth one, state the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. The characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror are virtual. The image cannot be projected on a screen because it appears to be behind the mirror. Upright. The image has the same orientation as the object, not inverted. Laterally inverted. The left and right sides of the image are reversed. Same size as the object. The image is of the same dimensions as the actual object. Equidistant from the mirror. The image appears to be at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Fifth one, find out the letters of the English alphabet or any other language known to you in which the image formed in a plane mirror appears exactly like the letter itself. Discuss your findings. English alphabet letters that look the same in the plane mirror. A. Symmetric vertically. H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Observations. Letters like B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, K, J, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z appear reversed in the plane mirror. Only letters that have vertical line of symmetry remain unchanged when reflected. The vertical line of symmetry means when you cut in half, they should be a image of each other. Those letters are vertically symmetrical. So the key principle, the letter or the shape will look the same in the plane mirror if it has vertically symmetry. Sixth one, what is a virtual image? Give one situation where a virtual image is formed. A virtual image is an image that cannot be projected onto a screen because the light rays do not actually meet at the image position. Instead, they only appear to diverge from a point behind the mirror or lens. Key characteristics of a virtual image: cannot be captured on a screen, appears to be behind the mirror or on the same side as the object for lenses, always upright. Example situation: image formed by a plane mirror. When you look at yourself in a mirror, the image of your face appears behind the mirror. This is the virtual image. 7. State two differences between the convex and the concave lens. Here are two main differences between the convex lens and the concave lens. Feature: convex lens, concave lens. First, shape. Thicker at the middle. Which one? Convex, thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. Concave lens, thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges. Light behavior. Converges, brings together parallel rays of light to focus. Concave diverges, spreads out parallel rays of light. Con Convex lens can form real or virtual images depending on the object's position, while concave lenses always form virtual, upright, and smaller images. Eighth one, give one use each of a concave and a convex mirror. Here an example of each type of mirror. Concave mirror used by dentists to see an enlarged image of teeth. Convex mirror used as a rear view mirror in vehicles to see a wider area of road. Ninth one, which type of the mirror can form a real image? A concave mirror can form a real image. Explanation: a real image is formed when light rays actually converge at a point after reflection. Concave mirrors converge parallel rays of light, so if the object is beyond the focal point, the reflected rays meet in front of the mirror, forming a real inverted image. Example: the image formed on a screen by a concave mirror in a projector or a solar furnace experiment. 10th one, which type of the lens forms always a vertical image? A concave lens always forms a vertical image. Explanation: a concave lens diverges, spreads out the parallel rays of the light, so the rays never actually meet. The image appears upright, smaller, and on the same side as the object, making it virtual. Example: the magnifying lens for small objects at a distance, or the eyepiece of some spectacles for correcting short-sightedness. Choose the correct option in questions 11 to 13. 11th one, a virtual image larger than the object can be produced by option 1 concave lens, option 2 concave mirror, option 3 convex mirror, option 4 plane mirror. The correct answer is option 2 concave mirror. A concave mirror can produce a virtual, upright, and magnified image if the object is placed between the focal point and the mirror. Concave lens always forms virtual images smaller than the object. Convex mirror always forms virtual images smaller than the object. Plane mirror forms virtual images same size as the object. 12th, David is observing his image in a plane mirror. The distance between the mirror and his image is 4 meters. If he moves 1 meter towards the mirror, then the distance between David and his image will be: first option is 3 meters, second option 5 meters, third option 6 meters, fourth option 8 meters. Given distance between David and his image is 4 meters. It is given. In the plane mirror, the distance between the object and the image is 2 times the distance from the mirror. So the distance of David from mirror initially is 4 divided by 2, that is 2 meters. From moving 1 meter towards the mirror, now the distance from the mirror is 2 minus 1, that is 1 meter. Distance between David and his image is now twice the distance, that is 2 into 1 is 2 meters. So the distance between David and his image is now 2 meters. After he is coming back 1 meter, the distance between the David and the image is 2 meters. So none of the options are correct here, all are wrong. 13th one, the rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. The driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meters per second. The driver sees in his car rear view mirror the image of a truck parked behind his car. The speed at which the image of the truck appears to approach the driver will 1 meter per second, second option 2 meter per second, third option 4 meter per second, fourth option 8 meter per second. Given rear view mirror is a plane mirror, car is reversing at 2 meter per second. The image of the truck is seen in the mirror. Step 1. Understand the concept. In the plane mirror, the image moves at the same speed as the object relative to the mirror, but the distance between object and its image changes twice as fast. So, the speed of the image relative to driver is twice of the speed of the car. Because truck is standing in its place, car is moving backward. Apply the value 2 into 2 meter per second, because here speed of the car is given, that is 4 meter per second. It appears to be 4 meter per second speed, 4 meters per second. So the image of the truck appears to approach the driver at 4 meter per second. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.